What's up, my friend? This is Reverend Kenn Blanchard, and I just want to let you know that I am shutting down this show. Yes, I am. Regretfully so. Life has kind of kicked me in the poo-poo, and I need to focus and kind of limit the stuff that I'm doing. So, you can find me still at speaklifechurch.net. That podcast, Speak Life Church, will still be active. And my podcast and anything I'm doing will be at kenn.blanchard.com. That's KENNBLANCHARD.com. You got that? What's going on? There'll be a link to what I'm dealing with my wife over these last 24 months, if you didn't know. And I'm still in it. I'm in it to win, though, so I got to conserve my energy. And I've been using music to save me. So I've been playing more and focusing on actually helping people in nursing homes. That's my new thing. So I got a little GoFundMe going as I transition from podcast producing to musicianship. And that's about it. Just in case nobody else has told you this today, I love you and I appreciate you being here. Thank you for following me and being a part of my life these months. If we've never met, you can contact me and we can stay in touch at kenn.blanchard@gmail.com. That's Kenn with 2 N's. The show notes will have all the good stuff that you can follow me with, just in case you're looking. You'll find me on YouTube at spoonsays.com or Spoons Blues. Spoon is my other persona as the performer. I'll still be riding my motorcycle. I'll still be smoking cigars. I'll still be shooting on occasion. I'm still me. Just won't see much of me in social media as I used to be. Until then, until we talk in person or by email or however, Shalom, baby.